Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix getting stuck when reviving teammates error in the Warzone 2. So there are the 4 different steps to solve this error. First one is that you have to just restart your game, doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed. And the second one is that you have to just change the loadout. And the third one is that you have to just try to reviving from a different angle or ask your teammate to move. Doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed. But these are the temporary methods. I will show you the permanent method to solve this error. For this you have to just contact to the support team of the Warzone 2 and they will assist you to solve your problem permanently. For this you have to just open the official website of the Warzone 2 and then click on the support at this page. And again click on the support option here, and after this you will find here these options. You have to just select the category or the game that you want to select, like I am selecting the first one in which you are facing the problem. After this you have to just select the platform of your game, like I am selecting the battle.net. You can choose anyone that you are using, and next to it you have to just select the topic of your issue, like you have to just select the feedback and the bug reporting. Now moving to the next step, you have to just select here for I want to report a bug, and waiting for opening this type of the page. Here you have to just click on this link which is named as report a bug in the Call of the Duty Warzone 2. Right after that you have to just wait for processing. And finally you are here at this page. You can select here your language that you want to select. After that you have to just scroll down and then again select for your platform, and in the category you have to just select the others, and right after that you have to just put here your issue. You have to just make here a short description that I am facing the problem that I have getting stuck while reviving teammate in my Warzone 2, so please help me to solve this error. After that you have to just select here for your region or country. Once you're done, you have to just click on the submit, and within 48 to 72 hours your problem will be fixed, and maybe it may take a short while. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.